Introducing DerivBot, your ultimate trading companion. Begin by establishing the trade parameters. Select your preferred market, trade type, contract type, and the default candle interval. Under Trade Options, enter duration and stake. Then set the Purchase Conditions block. The Sell Conditions block is optional. Leave it unless you want to sell early. Go to the Utility tab, click on the Blocks menu and select Loops. Add a repeat, while or until block by hitting the plus icon, choosing until as your repeat option. You can also click the desired block and drag it out. Then, navigate to the Analysis section and click Contract. Go to Last Trade Result and add the result as Win block. Place the result as Win block next to the Repeat Until condition. Conclude by dragging the whole repeat block into the Restart Trading Conditions section to automate the trading loop. And there you have it. That's how easy it is to build your bot with simple drag and drop actions. Try automated trading on our free demo account right now.